Guys, so this video is for day 8 and day 9. Before you start to wonder why I am making a video for 2 days in a single video, because I have been very busy for the last 2 days. I was not able to record the day 8 video, and today I want to discuss both of the days in a single video. So, talking about day 8 and day 9, I am very happy because these 2 days went very great. Day 8, I was figuring out a lot of things. Like I told in my last videos, I was trying to build a team, I was trying to get in touch with new people, and the happy news that I have to share with you guys is I have onboarded 3 people who have started working. One of them have actually started working, and she has shared with me the reports and everything like that, and she is doing really good. I'm very happy about it. And the 2 other guys are going to start from tomorrow itself. So this in itself feels like a big achievement for me because the people that I have connected with are really amazing people, and working with them is going to be a nice time. Apart from that, I feel like miracles happens because yesterday night I got a text from one of a very good brand. It is a new brand that is emerging into the baby and healthcare category, and that particular person pinged me up on Instagram for providing services of performance marketing to his brand. I went through the brand, I checked his website, and it was a really great brand. Everything was very good about the brand. I cannot mention the name of that brand right now, but going forward, if I get the opportunity, I'll show it to you guys as well. And if I talk about the brand, so I got a message from that particular person 1:30 in the night, and I had a good conversation on call with that particular person for 30-45 minutes. And after that, we planned the whole thing, and I connected with him today again in the daytime. I showed him the things that I have done, my previous projects and things like that, and he kind of liked that. At the same time, he had certain other requirements and certain other things to take care of, so we are in discussion. But I'm very happy because this whole Instagram and YouTube thing is connecting me with new people, and that is really a very good thing, at least for me, because I am getting in touch with a lot of new people with a lot of new experiences and different kind of exposure. Someone is into graphics, someone is into content writing and things like that. And I'm constantly daily getting new and new people on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram account as well. So that thing in specific makes me feel very happy because that is the only thing in the very initial phase that I plan to have, to connect with more people, build a good network, and have good connections, things like that. So that was it about day 8 and 9. The very good thing that has happened is that the team has started to work. So now I am getting a report of what has happened daily, and this is giving me a big opportunity that I can follow up on those clients and convert those clients. And apart from that, today I made a couple of calls myself also, and there is one specific thing that happened. So one client, he's willing to do it. He's willing to get onboarded tomorrow itself, and he even said, "I'm going to make you the payment," but he wanted to meet me physically. So right now I'm in Delhi, and he's also in Delhi. So there might be a possibility that I'm going to meet that person face to face, tell him about the entire business plan, how I will help him, and how I'll grow his Flipkart and Meesho account over e-commerce channels. And let's see how it goes. And I'm around 95-98% sure that I'm going to sign that particular client because that client is a very humble personality, and he has been talking to me for that particular thing for a long period today, and I think it is going to get done. So considering all the conversations and all the planning that is going on around, I think this 1 lakh per month challenge is going to be a good news for me because it's going really great as of now. It's making me very happy because I'm building a team. I'm working on the things that I can work upon, and at the same time, I'm also using my free time, which I used to waste a lot. So far, the journey is going amazing. It is very motivating for myself because I have been feeling that the last couple of months I had wasted a lot of time. My whole day was, just gaming and going through my Instagram account and things like that. But now, because I'm using that time and that time is giving me some value, I'm able to build something out of this particular time. I'm really feeling very proud and very happy because this whole thing is much better than wasting my time. This whole challenge has brought me to a different mindset where I am much more focused towards using my time and skills, develop something sustainable for the future. Let's see how this whole thing goes, and I'm pretty excited to see what do I achieve at the end of these 30 days. So let's see what's coming. Also, recently I uploaded one video about how you can create a good LinkedIn profile. You can find the link here. and you can see that video. It would be a very helpful video for you. At the same time, I'm going to post a lot further content, so you can subscribe to my channel. You can certainly like this video and share it with your friends if you find it helpful, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.